This is Grizz's workshop. This scruffy-looking mofo is Grizz.
Not an expert, not an exemplar of safety. Proceed at your own risk.
Have you ever been on Amazon, searched for one item, entered specific details, and ended up purchasing the wrong item, simply because you didn't pay close enough attention? Thank goodness for Amazon Prime, saving my money from my stupidity. On this occasion, I wanted a new sanding belt for my bobbin sander. I ended up ordering a belt far too small. Tried to return it, I got my refund, but they didn't want the item back. A reward for my ignorance. Being a bit of a hoarder and not wanting to waste the belts, I've been using them for a bit of a hand sanding. Eventually, I wedged bits of offcuts in one of the belts and used it as a block. You'll see it later in this video. I've been thinking of making a custom block for almost 3 years. Taking my inspiration from an antique shoe stretcher I once saw in a shop, I thought a threaded rod and nut could push 2 blocks apart in order to hold the belt tight from the inside. I started cutting out the shape I thought would do the job, a pair with a flat side. I'm using 18mm or 3/4 inch plywood stock. The bandsaw is ideal for this. I cut a third of the 2 pieces the same. I cut one shorter than the other. This is to form a recess to work on long edges. I then glued and nailed them together with my big gun. Next up, I drill a hole to take the threaded rod. Now cutting the rod, I finished the cut outside to avoid sparks in the workshop. Wood and sparks are not easy allies. I sanded the end of the rod so it fitted the nut easier. Off screen, I screwed in a threaded insert to take the rod, added a wing nut to tighten the rod. You can see here how it goes together. Forms a good tight fit. One last bit of sanding with the old block. All finished up now. I'm pleased with how it went. What do you think? Tell me in the comments below. Also, tell me about any bits and pieces you've kept hanging around, waiting for you to do something with it. It feels good to get this one small thing off my list. A list that's never ending.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time on Grizz's Workshop.